All right, good morning. It's April 13th. Not that that really matters, but didn't do nothing with the drive over, nothing, but got a little project thing I want to show you guys that we're working on. Up where well, here, let me flip around and then I'll tell the story. Over here at my buddy Jeremy's house. So this beast was given to me, believe it or not, just a couple days ago by this old timer that lives up where I go look for deer all the time in the neighborhood in the Sandias. Had it hanging on his tree for years. Finally just decided to put a note in his mailbox, see what he wanted for it. Real cool guy named Eric. He decided to just give it to me, so we came over here. Jeremy does a lot of restoring of antlers and stuff, and as you can see, this putty stuff we're using, just like a wood filler, is going to fill in the cracks. As you can see, this is how both sides were real chalked out and old. So this is going to be the first part of it, filling in the cracks, letting it dry, sand it a little bit, and then the next phase of the video we'll move on to the coloring of it. And then, like he said, can't really restore the skull plate. We'll probably just end up cutting them off and getting like one of those little plastic or whatever
Mounts.
skull cap mount things. Yeah. But yeah, I think he's gonna look cherry when this is done. And we'll have before and afters. I got some before pictures of it on my tailgate. It turned out really nice. So that's what we're doing. A little bit of music. Perfect, as I almost fall and bust my ass. Perfect little bluebird day. Day after tomorrow starts turkey season. So I'll be out trying to shoot some gobblers in the face. And that video will be coming too, so be ready for that one. But yeah, we'll pause this for now and show some more maybe when we're done with this. And I got to give it, what'd you say, a day or two or whatever before we start the coloring. So it'll be a few days before this video comes out, but it'll be a short one. It'll be nice. He's going to turn out really good, I think. Okay, so this is start of it, how he's gonna, well, gotta sand it down still, but it's already a huge difference from how he looked. This is just with the putty on him to fill in the cracks. Like we said, let it dry, and then go to the next stage of coloring and whatnot. Can't wait. Morning. Headed back over to Jeremy's. We're gonna work on that deadhead again. Start adding some color to it today. So I'll do some filming once we get there, but I can't wait to see this thing finished. Get it on some sort of nice skull cap mount thing, and all colored up and looking new and awesome and big, because it's a big buck. So headed to Starbucks now because I was told they give you used coffee grinds, and that's one of the ingredients we need to add the color. So pick that up from Starbucks and then head over to Jeremy's down the road and get cranking on this. So more to come. Stick around. Cleaning up the skull cap a little bit. Alright, so we're getting started on the color. Well, I'm not doing anything yet, but smashing up the ash from the fire, and then we'll add in the coffee grounds that Starbucks gave me.
All they are just little cakes.
Yeah, little cakes of coffee ground, and just mix it together. And then I think you said smidge honey or no?
Yeah. Well, not on this one yet. That's when we'll see what we need at the finished product.
Gotcha. It's gonna turn out nice, I think.
Yeah, I'll keep it.
So now we're getting the color going on it. Got the first bit of coloring on it. Now just gonna kind of wipe it off and let it dry and see how this first set looked, or how the color looks.
Dude.
Yeah, if you guys remember, and I'll put pictures to show before and after, of course, but yeah, that's gonna look way better, especially how big this buck is.
Look it down here. All that green.
Yep. If only I would have drawn the tag this year.
Jimmy always has the best luck on coming up on nice deadheads and stuff like that.
Yeah, I'm super lucky on this one, but it's all right. I'll take it. So this is kind of after the first chunk of coloring on it. Got a couple spots got to re-hit and touch up, but it's already looking way better, obviously, than when I first got it. But it's a dream buck for me, man, if you ever see something like that in the wild. Just finished it up. I'm gonna flip the camera around and show you what the finished thing looks like, finished product if you want, and show you what kind of work Jeremy does. If you guys ever need something done, hit me up or him. We'll let him shout out his socials to you and go from there. So here it is. If you remember and I'll again show before and after pictures at the end of this video, but it was chalk city when I got it. So we put tape on it, which I'll have. That's a God, that buck's crazy. We put tape on it outside to outside. He's 31.5 wide. Didn't measure his back forks, but they got to be what, 14 tall or so.
I would say.
And then that eye guard right here, the way it curls in is really cool. Each eye guard's 3 inches probably, no, all day. So, well, yeah, if you want to tell anybody anything about your socials or how to hit you up.
If you want to give me a follow, JK Germ on Instagram, that's where you can reach me at. If you guys need anything done, I mean, let me know what you have.
You want to show him your deadhead or your
yeah.
Show you some of his deadheads he's done. Kind of show you a real good clean white, real bleached, nice. Everything looks cherry on it. A few others, that was, as he put it, his progression as he was learning, but now everything he does is this quality, which is super clean, super just really nice. So yeah, let us know, either him or me.
Yeah, anything.
I'll
sheds, you guys got chalk sheds and you want to bring them back to life, I'll do my best to make them what these guys are.
Yep. So this video will get wrapped up when I get home and get him on the wall and show what it looks like on the wall with in fact, I have a huge deadhead fork that Jeremy did for me, so I'll put him next to that and show you guys another example of work that he's done. So
cool.
All right, appreciate it, brother. Turned out great.
Opportunity.
Anytime.